This tutorial is about accessing journal articles using the library website. This tutorial isn't going to tell you how to find articles to begin with. You should be starting your search for articles in databases and indexes. Most of our databases offer full text, so you can actually just click on the article and access the text immediately. But if that doesn't work, you might end up with some citations to articles and you need to get the text. So if you're in that situation, you'll follow the steps in this tutorial to actually access the text of your articles. There are 3 basic steps involved in accessing articles through the library. First, you're going to search for the article title on the library homepage, and that's going to work for the majority of the articles you need. Then, if that didn't work, you're going to search for the journal title on the library homepage. And then lastly, if you find that the library doesn't have the journal you need at all, then you're going to place an interlibrary loan request for the article. Here I have some example citations that I'm going to be trying to find using the library website. So first of all, I'm just going to use the article title. So surveillance, data, and privacy. And I'll just search for that on the library homepage. As this is an article, I'll go to the articles and full text section here. And I don't see it in any of these 3 here, so I'll click view, this big number of articles in full text. So I'm not seeing my article right away, so I'm going to just add a little bit more information to make it easier to find. I'm going to add one of the author names to my search. And my article showed up right here, and I can click here, View Record from Behind Online, to be taken directly to the article text. So this next article, I tried searching by the article title, and I even tried adding the author's last name, and this article just didn't show up in the results. So now I'm going to try searching by the journal title. And here it is in the journals and periodicals section. You can see it showed up right there. So it looks like this is a journal where we only have the print version. We don't have the electronic version. That's probably why I couldn't find the article before when I was searching for it on its own. So I can request a scan of that article. I'm going to make sure first that we have the issue that I need. So this article is from 2006. And we do have 1989 to 2019, so that should be fine. So I'm going to request scan of article/chapter, and I'm actually going to open this in a new tab. So here it has filled in the journal title for me, but I have to fill in the rest. One thing to note, with Blue Book citations, you might not know the entire page span. You might just have the first page, like we do here. So where it asks for pages needed, you can type entire article. And so that way the person scanning will know, just to scan the entire article for you. Some of these fields are required, but you should try to fill in as many fields as you can, even if they're not required. At the bottom, it asks, where did you find this item cited? This is why I suggested you open this in a new tab. You can go back and copy the URL from the catalog page and paste that in to show where you found it. And then when you've finished with the form, you submit your request, and it will show up in your email. For this last article, I again couldn't find it by searching by the article title. So we're going to search by the journal title, and I'll show you that I can't find it that way either. And we're going to make an interlibrary loan request. So I'm going to search for Suzhou Law Journal. I'm going to expand this journals and periodicals section. So you'll see there are a lot of journals that have similar titles to ours, but none of them is in fact the Suzhou Law Journal. So we're going to go to this link, request from libraries worldwide. This takes you to a new interface, and this actually searches libraries all over the world, not just at Cornell. So here is the Suzhou Law Journal right at the top. And in this box on the right that says Access Options, there's a link to Request from Interlibrary Loan. And now you see the same form that we already filled out to request a scan of a journal article before. So you'll fill that out just the same way as you did the other one, and submit your request, and you will receive an email about it when your request is ready. If you ever encounter any trouble trying to access an article, feel free to reach out to the law librarians. You can email us at lawref@cornell.edu. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy searching!